Hello everyone, my name is Zanam and today we are going to discuss that how we can find the rth root of a natural number n. So let this value be equal to x. So x is equal to rth root of capital N. So x to the power r is equal to n and x to the power r minus n should be equal to 0. Now let this be a function f of x equal to x to the power r minus n. So if we take the derivative of this function, we are going to get this. So f of xn is equal to xn to the power r. Since it was x, this will be replaced by xn to the power r minus of n, and f dash of xn will also be replaced, the x will be replaced by xn. Now if we check the Newton's method formula, we will get this as the formula xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn upon f dash of xn. So we will replace the f of xn and f dash of xn by their values. So now we are getting this formula on simplifying it. So this is the formula which we are basically going to use for the nth root of a number. So the square root of a number will have as r value be equal to 2, since it's a square root. So if we place the r value to 2 minus 1, this will be 1. This whole thing will remain as it is, and r will be replaced by 2 and 2xn to the power r minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. So this is our simplified version of formula for a square root of a number. And if we check out that for cube root of a number, it will have r equal to 3. So xn plus 1 equal to 2xn cube plus n upon 3xn square. So we see that cube root of 23, r value is equal to 3, n is equal to 23. So xn plus 1, the formula for the cube root of a number is this. So cube root of 23 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. Since this value is 8 and this value is 27, 23 lies between these two natural number cube. So whenever we will have to find the x0, we have to take any value between these two numbers. So the best number that we can take is exactly between them, that is 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 2.5. So x0 value is equal to 2.5. Now if we find xn plus 1, that is n value as 0, we have 0 plus 1 1 x1. This will have 2 xn cubes. It means 2x0 cube plus 23 upon 3x0 square. So on placing the value of x0, we get x1 value as 2.89333. If we take the n value as 1, we will get x2 value. So here we are getting x1. Our previous value for x2 can be put in here and substituted to get the value of x2. Now still we want a better approximation, we will go for n equal to 2. x3 value will contain x2. We are getting this value 2.84387. Now at n equal to 3, we are having x4 equal to this value, that is also 2.84387. The moment when you get two numbers exactly the same on a certain value of n, you have to stop at that moment. So we can say that cube root of 23 is equal to 2.84387.